So I'm gonna explain you about that process. So
Yes.
when the animal eat coffee,
Yeah.
they just swallow the bean. They don't chew it, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, and then they digest only the outside or the flesh of the coffee bean. Yeah.
Okay.
And then the coffee bean just has fermentation in the stomach of animal.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then they poop it out. Yeah.
Okay.
So we collect poo here for the coffee.
Okay.
So because of fermentation, the taste of Luwak coffee becomes smoother.
Yeah.
It's less bitter than a normal coffee.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
Do you want to get a photo? You can take a photo first. So usually after we collect, we have to dry under the sun.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least 5 days to dry. Yeah. And after we got dry, we have to wash them. Yeah, by hot water to kill the bacteria.
Yeah.
Like this one, for example.
Okay.
Yeah, so this one, the coffee bean has been washed. Yeah. Yeah, and then we have to remove the shell like this until become like this. Yeah. So don't worry, inside the coffee bean still safe.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
they don't like digest it all.
Yeah, because the coffee
Okay.
bean they still have strong shell, so
Yeah.
the animal they can't break it. Yeah.
Okay.
And then at the next process, we have to wash it again.
Yeah.
So we use hot water as well to make sure the bean clean or hygiene. So we do wash twice here.
You wash
And this one second wash
second.
or the final wash, yeah.
Okay.
And then the coffee bean ready to roast after that.
So they only eat the beans or they eat other stuff?
So besides eat coffee, they eat like a fruit as well.
Oh,
For example,
fruits.
like banana, papaya.
Oh.
Yeah, but in a wild place, they can kill a chicken as well.
Yeah.
But they just kill it. They don't eat the meat of the chicken.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
because they have like a territorial place. So if there
Okay.
is another animal come in their place, so they will attack them.
Okay.
Yeah.
But they're vegetarian. They
Yeah,
don't-
vegetarian. So in here we got two types of luwak. So the big one we call luwak, and the small one we call musang. So the musang one, the one they eat the meat. They don't eat the fruit or vegetarian. They just eat the meat
Just
or
the meat.
carnivore.
Okay.
Yeah. But the luwak, no. It looks so similar, but smaller than luwak.
Ah,
Yeah. You can
okay.
searching in Google as well.
Okay.
Yeah. That's look like. Yeah. And for the roasting process, we take around 45 minutes for 1 kilogram.
45 minutes.
Yeah.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good. And you?
Good. Thank you. So this is our barista.
Okay.
Okay, look at this. So this one our special coffee here.
Special coffee. Okay.
So here we got two types. So this one the luwak coffee from the animal, and this one the Bali coffee
Okay.
or normal coffee.